Nó bảo mà nếu mà in là phải đến cái tìm hiểu sắp bây giờ nó nấu sau tới nó còn được bao nhiêu bọt có bây giờ nào đây nè nha quên món bọt rồi nè tiếng đó
I like this one, the cutie.
yeah they're so cute
And I like the yellow one.
yellow one too you know what I like
Like this one. There's something that I could feed.
okay go feed it over there
I'm pretty scared. I don't know. Hungry? Hungry?
खाँदैन तिनीहरू
oh
Not the whole thing. Could you need to share it to your friends? Bro, it's really next one.
के गाउँदैछौ तिमीहरू
yeah do the baby so cute
नानी
look at look oh dia lagi ada apa lah baru dia na
No, I'm not getting lit.
भेट्दा पनि त्यसलाई भेट्दैन अब हातमा नै कप खायो अब नानी कप मात्रै उयो मात्रै खान्छ हेर 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 हेर
You guys.
this हेर्न कस्तो चुचुरो
Don't eat it.
नानी उता के रहेछ सुन हेर्नु चुच्चोबाट भागिरहेछ
Bro, it's still begging for food.
तोरा छ नि यो मिर्ग त
देऊ त
Ew! Bro, it's apparently getting added.
के भयो
Bro, I'm sorry.
के भयो हात
Little one. Bro, what are you looking for? My hand? I will feed the llama.
टोटोकै टोक्ने
टोके भन्दैछ
Llama.
खोइ क्या
के गरेको
Bonnie. I'm in Bubuka. That's enough.
अनि त यो त नजिकैबाट त हेरेको रहेन छ
कति ठुल्ठुलो छ है निकै पो राखेको रहेछ त है
Yeah, Camel. They are in desert islands in Egypt.
Did you scare?
I'm not scared, but
Yeah,
it's gonna bite me.
त्यसको हेर यहाँ
Ooh, did it come out? Over there? How?
Yeah, I don't know. Look at over there. कति धेरै छ हेर त
Aw. That camel's begging for food, bruh.
Yeah, they are, but we don't have anything.
The nothing.
The horses are so pretty.
Different species of people. So all the spotted sheep with four-horn Jacob sheep.
Oh, हेर त सिङ कति एउटा छ चारवटा सिङ
चारवटा सिङ छ यहाँ
नानी 4वटा सिङ छ अरे
No.
No.
Nippy, you can still pet them. They're just a little nippy when you feed them.
दे दे
Look at the zebra. good back there. Look.
So all the deer that we have are fallow deer. So fallow deer will be,
These emus are awesome.
they're emus.
के साह्रो
So
डराएको
the emus are the second largest flightless bird next to the ostrich.
खतरा छ यो वै नाइज है
Yeah, I did that. That's new one.
वे आए फेरि पोते थे पोते छोड़ना छोड़ा नहीं
Wait, this is the eye.
here to open the cherry.
So the black and white fluffy cows are royal yak cows.
Nani? Ge? गर्मी भयो यो के हो रे छोरो
बेबी यहाँ हेर त्यसले के खान्छ अरे
के रहेछ नानी यो व्हाट
East
के खायो
African crowd came.
बेबी अनि यो कहाँ आउँदो रहेछ where do we live अरे
The Congo,
Congo,
United,
Uganda,
Kenya
Kenya,
South Africa
East South Africa.
Here for the camel.
नानी के रहेछ यहाँ kangaroo
Front one was the
Yep, just so you get on a bike. And sit all the way back.
It's already was
Amazing.
And you can let your feet down if you want. Did you have a camel ride before?
Never in my life.
No? Okay. Okay. Sometimes it's easier to balance like that. The gait is just different because they always kind of walk like the same.
I do. Oh, you know. Yeah, Oscar, yeah. Oscar the camel.
So his name is Oscar. He's about 8 years old.
I like Oscar. It's my friend.
They're about 10.
Oh, this thing looks cute, though. I like that zebra. Baby, hi.
All right, we're going to stop for a quick picture, then we'll keep going, okay? Oh, yeah. Yeah, make them live where it's dry, where there's no water. What do you think? Is it a little bumpy or you get it? I'm really thinking that rides the horse. With the horse, you more like sit up there and balance, more so than a saddle. More so than like a camel saddle because you're kind of like strapped in there. Watch your feet when you come into the landing. Steady.
Thank you.
You're welcome.